I'm Adesala Desomo.
My name is Bamidele Olatunde.
My name is Anifo Sholuadari David.
My name is Tom Ben Shark.
My name is Arita Acoustic.
My name is Monchia.
I came across Utiva from one of the sponsored ads on the internet, of course.
So it's online, on LinkedIn precisely. I think with Itayo, I saw one of his posts or something like that. So I went to the website.
I randomly came across it on social media.
I was fortunate to talk to a friend. And then she told me her sister actually finished with Utiva.
I was following that the Itayo on LinkedIn. I was really inspired by his story and seeing how Utiva evolved.
Yeah. I knew Utiva, online because they have a lot of ads.
Even as an alumni, of course, they've always been there for us, guiding us, making sure that yes, we are okay, and we really get to forge ahead in the industry.
Enaro, as that's someone I can't forget. Enaro was quite helpful. He was always willing to listen to us. There was always very interactive class. We always interacted. The class was never a dull moment. Bring shared ideas, and when your tutor is also trying to learn from you, and that's a great experience.
But what I love about Utiva is how engaging the programs are and how passionate the facilitators are. You can literally see their passion even though you are not physically present with them.
Joining Utiva to study data science has actually boosted my confidence. For instance, when it comes to Excel, I have zero knowledge. When it comes to Excel, like somebody starting from a zero level that doesn't have a background of probably computer science, engineering, and all that.
The tutors are just passionate about what they do, and it's something that I also learned from them. Being passionate about what you do, it helps you to even do it better.
Yeah, by training, I'm a lawyer. Honestly, I did not study product management because I was going to switch jobs. Like I said earlier, I took it because of career growth. What motivated me was the fact that in the line of my work, I advise my employer on various things, including new products that are going to be launched. So I felt like having an idea of product marketing, product management would better position me in a way to advise them better.
The way I got my current job, I had somebody refer me to somebody else. They had to now go back to my LinkedIn page to see what I had done and say, oh, you went to Utiva.
My learnings at Utiva had made me to actually all my skills in terms of strategy-wise, because if you look at business analysis and then strategy, we have the part of strategy in business analysis. And then it has actually opened my eyes into the problem-solving skills that is being taught in business analysis. So,
when graduating, I now decide to go for a lot of gigs. Even though I have a job, I have the confidence to decide to go for a lot of gigs.
And yes, I would recommend it 100%. For anybody that wants to learn any tech skills, Utiva is one platform that you can get everything that you want. Every tech skill, Utiva is a very great platform. I highly recommend it.
Of course, recommending Utiva to any other person, yes, I would do that over and over again.
And would I recommend people to? Yes, I have recommended people to Utiva. I think I have somebody that finished probably last year. I have somebody currently in a cohort this year.
So if I'm going to reference anyone to join Utiva, I would say that's a great way to start your career into tech.
I would like to say thank you to Utiva for giving me the foundation that I required to successfully transition into my current role as a data analyst and API analyst. Kudos, guys.
Thank you, Utiva. Thank you, Binance.